You know, the hardest thing about being a nail technician is that we actually have to deal with a lot of stinky breath sitting in front of the clients. You think the mask will help, right? But sometimes it doesn't. Somehow, when they talk and the air just kind of leak through the mask, and yep. So, what I usually do is I don't really tell the clients, I just keep the conversation short. Ask them a few questions just to show that I care about them, and hopefully they're not one of those people who carry on a conversation because sometimes it's hard. Imagine doing nails and you got the monomer smell, which is great, and then sometimes you mix with like some garlic smell and just some morning breath mixed with it. It's a tough job. You would think that like only dentistry people get to see in people's mouth, but here we are. Nail techs sit in front of people, which is only 2 feet away, and you'd be surprised. But the moral of the stories I'm telling you is that, you know what? Regardless how bad the client's breath are, at the end of the day, I really appreciate the clients very much.
Daddy, what do you mean? You also have stinky breath?
Kaylin, I'm recording right now. Stop it.